What is up, guys? I'm doing an update on the Bitmart situation. A little frustrated with how Bitmart has kind of gone about handling, or at least with the rumors in the air about how they're handling this whole buyback situation. Um, it seems like always, John is kind of going about it the right way, as a CEO should, behind closed doors. And who's to say, like the rumors are true about what they're saying? It's just a matter of it's been a little bit of some time that has gone by and withdrawals haven't been turned back on. But with what I see here, like what Bitmart posted on Twitter, someone had asked them a question, and it was in regards to turning back on withdrawals, if I'm not mistaken, on SafeMoon. And they said, "Dear user, we're trying our best to negotiate with the SafeMoon project team to confirm the most reasonable solutions. We appreciate your patience and kindly ask you to keep an eye on our announcements for further updates. Thank you for the support and understanding." So this word right there just kind of bugs me, because negotiating, like, what are we negotiating? Like, what are you talking about? You guys said you would buy back what was hacked. Remember, your exchange got hacked. Now, I have some SafeMoon on there, not a lot, because I don't really trust centralized exchange. Not your keys, not your crypto. That whole slogan, that is true. Um, so, with them holding your keys, then you don't really have control over what happens. And now, a lot of the SafeMoon Army holders that are on Bitmart are really at their mercy. What if they decide to not buy it back, right? Like, what if they go, hey, sorry, we couldn't negotiate with the SafeMoon team. What are we negotiating, guys? You have your customers that are buying SafeMoon on your exchange. It's just a matter of making it right, buying back what was stolen from your exchange, and just that's it. Like, end of story. This doesn't even need to go on a back and forth. Like, what is the back and forth about? So I'm just a little bit upset about that, because when I saw that, I know it was the 26th, a couple days ago, but at the end of the day, it just needs to be done right. I also saw John Caroni saying some positive things, and also Ryan. Ultimately, they were talking about that they hope that the team does the right thing. Apologize, my fan is always pretty loud here. So that they're going to be doing the right thing, and or at least they hope that they're doing the right thing, that they were talking with their legal team. Also, Ryan said, that he holds, when he was asked a question, what about Bitmart, said we're still working on that. I also have SafeMoon and Bitmart that is affected. So, even he owns some SafeMoon on there. So I'm sure the team is going about the right steps to try and make it all work. But I'm just more like upset at this statement. And again, obviously this is the Twitter account, not necessarily, the marketing team who handles everything, or doesn't matter. I'm not even like statements like that shouldn't even be considered to be put out. You shouldn't be like negotiating, really. Like, what happened was your security breach, not SafeMoon or the SafeMoon holders or the SafeMoon customers that are on your exchange. So that's my 2 cents on it, guys. Let me know what you think. I thought they were coming up out strong and trying to really regain support from a lot of the crypto community by saying, hey, we're gonna put our own funds into this and we're gonna buy it back. I'm not opposed as to them trying to say, hey, is there anything you can do? Because obviously $200 million is a lot of money. Totally all about the team saying, hey, let's do what we can in helping them out, right? Like, that's fine. But a lot of people were affected. A lot of people had a lot of money on there, and you guys should just do the right thing. That's just my opinion and how I feel about it. So, what are your thoughts, guys? Definitely comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate so much all the people that have. And let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you think Bitmart's doing the right thing, or are they totally in the wrong, or am I crazy for saying that? So, catch you guys on the next video.